Going to Batad Tapia waterfalls.
All right. So that's about 1 hour walking.
1 hour walking, and we're going to pass through the terraces.
We're gonna go through the terraces on our way to the waterfall. Yeah, we are excited. Show us the way. Okay, we are on the start of crossing across the rice terraces. So we're gonna walk on this path, and then we'll see the terraces down here. I'll give you a side view of the walk. And we're meeting some other tourists as well. Go hiking.
Hello.
Looks like a fish, huh? Look at fish, or what is the mosquito down there? Looks like in the water.
I think some
Small sort of fish, or?
yeah, small fish.
Yeah. Ooh, you need a balance, huh? Don't lose your balance, because then you're gonna go into the water.
The little screen while you talk, and yes, it's difficult.
Yeah, no, I don't look at the screen. I'm definitely looking down, because here you need to focus. But I keep 1 foot halfway inside for some security. Because if I look down, then I'm gonna get wet down there somewhere. And I even feel my voice is a bit tense now. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, focus. Ooh. Oh la la la.
Oh, you see.
Yeah, I stepped on the side. It's okay. I get it off. Ooh. I will get it off. Okay, I think I need to stop recording for a while. Okay, so they separate, and they take this rice,
Yes.
and then they separated it and planted.
Plants, yes.
Okay. But how long it's gonna be? It needs to be dried up sooner or later. Or?
No, this one it takes maybe 1 month more, because they have to clean this one and to let it fertilize.
But when the rice is growing, it needs to be dry, or this stays in water all the time.
There's still water, because it dry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it grows in water all the
It
time.
grows in water all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, and it takes 6 months, because we plant by February, March, April, May, June. July is the harvest season. June and July. Yeah.
Okay.
August, no more rice.
No more rice. Okay, let's go. Hello guys. You back home? You been to the waterfall? I'm sometimes afraid to move too much side, so I go inside, and they're laughing at my shoes. Huh? Looks like I've been in the mud, and I've been in the mud.
No, you look
Very nice there. There.
Yeah. This is great for you.
Take care.
Thank you. But here the separated rice are. Here is the rice separated.
Already planted,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah. So you take the one over there,
This one, I'll show you here.
and then you will separate.
Yeah.
Oh my God, here we go.
I got here, you see. I got here like this.
Oh. Okay.
And I will three pieces. I will plant like this.
Okay.
Yeah, and another 3 the same size.
Why 3? Because
This
and then,
another 3 here.
okay.
Yeah, and 2 another 1. So
If I have 3, always 3. Okay.
yeah.
So how old are they when you plant from one to separate?
How old?
Yeah, how long time from?
When you plant this, when you put this one,
Yeah.
this is the seeds.
This is the seeds, and they grow for how long?
They grow for, I think, 1.5 months.
And then you separate.
You separate.
And then they grow again for how long before you?
5 to 6 months again.
5 to 6 months again. So 7 months again about in total.
Yes. So in 1 year we only plant once.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, slowly. This is the way down, 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 down. Wow, here is a really nice view on the backside.
Yeah, the water fall is on the other side. This mountain like this, it's over there.
So we're gonna go down all the way?
Yeah.
Mm.
Down.
That's a long walk.
Yeah, a little bit long.
Somebody
But good, we can
was mourning already.
generate burn energy to get more hungry and eat more. Hello.
Yeah, and I can then safely eat my chocolate in my pocket.
Who doesn't?
Always look at the good thing, positive side. Huh?
Before we plant this, we have to gather all the golden kohol.
What do I go?
The kohol.
What is that?
Snail.
Snail.
Yeah, because once there are snails, they will eat this one and no more rice.
Okay. And how you pick the snail by hand or looking
By
for them?
hand.
Go looking
Yeah.
for them.
And then you never check again, or you need to check
We need
every.
to every time,
Yeah.
time to time we check. Yeah.
Caracol. It's in Spanish.
Då går det där. Jag ska göra ett omgång. I take a photo and a video. This is the terraces. We are a bit down and the terraces go all the way up. It's really, I mean, how they made this by hand. That's really impressive. So I don't know if you see it, but way down there is a river, and behind this one we're gonna go to see the waterfall, and it's gonna be many steps down, but then it will be many steps up. So okay, here we go. We're getting closer to the bottom of the bottom of the ravine. We then gonna see the waterfall around this mountain. I said I don't know if it's far walking from here, but it's really nicer, except this roof. This is really ugly, but we're in the Philippines, so it's the country of the contrast. Then we go down and looks like we go up again. What is this?
This is Tapia.
Tapia?
River. And we are
I mean,
going up.
what's the house for?
Yeah, I think it's for gravel to put some gravel.
Okay, like construction gravel and yeah,
Yeah.
just something like a storage house. Have like a concrete bunker there also. Okay, we're gonna go up again. Okay. Det var bra idag. It's nothing to hold on to, so I'm a little bit unsteady. But I'm okay. Alright. We're down. Yeah, this is it. I think we need to change. Okay, swimming time, but a lot of stones and not so easy to get inside the water. And I think Laura will explain that. And I probably won't be anymore or any better. It's not cold. Okay, I'm trying to walk out. I think the best is to lay down and like swim, because it's stony and it's hard to walk here. Ooh. Okay. Coming? Look here. Nice. Really nice water. Look, and I think I have my two other ones back here. I think they are dancing or they are making selfie. We're gonna try to take a picture of the bottom, see how it looks like from under. That was a 360 underwater. So after a nice swim, we eat some banana and we are ready to start on our way back again. And that is going to be tough because it's high up here. I don't know, I'm trying to see, but it's hard on the cameras actually. But look, we are down here. and we're gonna go up something like up there. And along the way it's really clean, but actually here is an area, I guess they're trying to collect the plastic because it looks like it's been a shop here, but they maintain it well. I would say that. So I'm happy with the cleanliness, and I can't always say that in the Philippines. Here it's like blue grayish, and there's the path, and we're gonna go up here and then to the top. Yeah, to the top. Okay, let's go. Probably won't be too much filming because I need to focus on walking and breathing. Yeah, we made it to the top, and instead of walking along the rice terraces to the house over there, we're gonna go down in the village. It is down there and passing through the village, he said. So let's focus. Oh, for me this is kind of steep. There's no fence, nothing. We are now entering into the village. So here is the step going down. And then probably need to feet. So now we can go with the right feet. And down and down and down and there. So this is the funeral, sorry, wedding, sorry, no funeral, wedding place. And it's kind of wet, but they're drying it up, and it's gonna be a big party on the 10th and 11th of February. So if you're close by, come, and they will have great food. And have ducks down here. This is the house then of the bride, they say.
You see, they're the man preparing that one.
Oh, yeah.
Now they are drinking.
Okay, getting ready for the wedding.
Yeah.
No photo. And okay, no photo.
No, they are drunk, that's why.
Yeah, I know. What is that for baking? Or oh, it's for okay chicken or yeah, like.
Yeah, that is the native pig from here. You see?
Yeah, smaller. Huh? It's not so big.
A little bit more athletic.
Yeah. Perhaps maybe not so much fat. I don't know.
This is the kitchen during
The wedding.
wedding. They cook rice, pancit, and then pork, adobo.
Everything.
And this is my native uncle here in the village.
Oh, hello, uncle. Hi. How are you? You want a picture? You have dressed up like native, huh? Yeah, we can take. If I have battery, I don't know if I have battery. And now there's a bargain of blanket, maybe.
No, thank you. I have already my blanket.
This is the wife, this is the wife hiding. Yeah.
Very nice.
It's okay, but yeah. Okay, salamat.
Sige na kayo.
Now we're on our way back to the house where we're staying. So I'm running out of battery, and soon we're running out of daylight. So I guess I will say goodbye now, and thank you for joining this trip. It's 7:38, so we can do the math later how long time it took. So okay, that was the trip to the waterfalls. Just as a finish, I like to show some of the steps we need to walk to get back to the house. Shoelaces, loose shoelaces is not a good idea, huh? Okay, that was not smart. And then here, and then there, and then up there, and that's where we came from. And this is where we're gonna go. Continue. Oh, we see our house up here. There. So it's not so far left, but also the nice view, because now it's the golden hour for photography. So enjoy the view. Okay. Wet. Water coming. Small creek. And then we walk along the wall again in these fabulous steps.